to our channel. Today we're going to make an exciting experiment. It's a volcano! Don't realize it's a real volcano. It's a trick. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the bell so you can see new videos from our channel. Let's start our experiment. The things we need for this experiment is liquid soap, baking soda, a cup of vinegar, cone, big plate, food color, and a bottle. Let's start. First thing, we will bring the bottle, liquid soap, then we put the cone. Now we will put the baking soda. Then we put the food color on inside the vinegar. Now we will pour the vinegar. It looks like a real volcano, but it's not. It's straight. Wow. Bye.